This cooking class is so convenient. They pick you up at your hotel and also drop you off to your hotel after the class. The class starts with a tour of a local wet market where you will be introduced with local vegetables, spices and ingredients. You then proceed to Mama Noi's. You get a tour of their organic vegetable garden, then proceed with cooking class. You choose one stir-fry dish, one soup dish and one curry dish. Last, you make your own mango sticky rice and Thai milk tea. We had a great experience here cooking authentic Thai food. Our teacher was very energetic. The output was really delicious. My husband enjoyed it the most as it was his first Thai cooking experience. I also like that they have their own organic farm where we get to try the authentic Thai herbs used in cooking our dishes. We'll go back again next time trying other delicious meals. Smile. Thanks, Mama Noi, the Cookery School. I had an incredible first-time cooking experience at Mama Noi Cookery School in Chiang Mai, hosted by Ray. From start to finish, the class was well organized, fun, and immersive. We started with a visit to the local market to learn about fresh ingredients, then headed to the beautiful open-air kitchen to cook authentic Thai dishes. Ray was an amazing instructor, knowledgeable, patient, and full of energy, making the class both educational and entertaining. The hands-on experience helped me gain confidence in cooking Thai cuisine, and the dishes turned out absolutely delicious. A must-do experience for anyone visiting Chiang Mai. I had such an amazing time. Book and pray you get to cook with Rai. She was amazing, well-informed and fun. We cooked so much food I could hardly breathe at the end. Then right when you think you explode, they have you cook your mango sticky rice and tea. It was so delicious, and don't worry, what you don't finish you can take home. The market tour was beautiful and full of color. The cooking school was huge and full of decorated gardens and turtles, just beautiful. Also be down in the lobby waiting because they will be right on time to pick you up. Don't stress, they know you're coming. Lol. Had a wonderful and fun experience with Mama Noi Thai Cookery School. Shupei, who was my teacher, was funny and really guided us throughout the class. Please listen attentively when your teacher is talking. Haha.